If you want to make any kind of jelly, you're going to need a jelly bag. If like me you can't sew, don't panic. All you need is 1 metre of calico and 8 cable ties. Once you've cut the fabric and folded it on itself, you are ready to make the bag. I'm hanging it over a bath, as this is a domestic situation. Domestic does not mean unhygienic. Mark the calico where you want the cable ties to support the bag. Then you're ready to remove the pegs. Use a pair of scissors to make a puncture mark in the fabric, large enough for a cable tie to go through. You're going to need 4 cable ties to give you a large opening and to hold the weight of the fruit pulp later. Only tighten the cable ties when you hang the bag over the container again. Remember to check that the opening is large enough to pour in the fruit pulp. You now need to tie off both sides of the bag because all we have yet is a sling. Once you've tied them off, another cable tie lifts the edges up out of the bath and hangs them from the pole. For hygiene reasons, it is essential to scald the bag before using. I want to thank Isabella Codd of Chez Maison for her help in designing the bag.